Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have for you MaskMaven by Beauteque Monthly. Do you want to see what's inside of February's bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so you know normally my Beauteque Monthly, I always get the first week of the following month. Well, now the last 2 months it's been later and later, and this month is even later. So I don't know what's going on with their shipping, but my Beauteque beauty box is MIA. Complete MIA. I swear I tracked it. It said it was at my local post office last Monday at 5:24 a.m. And I even thought to myself, okay, maybe they'll put it on the truck today. Maybe I'll actually get it today. They came, wasn't there. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll get it tomorrow. Tomorrow came, nothing. Next day, nothing. But I started tracking it again as of the second day, and now it's completely missing. Like the tracking number, like it doesn't even exist. There's no tracking, there's no nothing. There's nothing. So I don't know what in the world happened to my beauty box. So I don't know when it's coming. So this just got here today, and this was shipped a week after. Like 5 or 6 days after my beauty box. So long story short, she's missing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this now because I don't know if or when I'm even gonna receive my beauty box. And when I do, I'll do that later because this is for February and now we're already in the middle of March. So let's just get in here and let's see what masks we get for last month's box. And we'll see what happens with the beauty box. So it always comes in this little purple bag with, oh, gross. Something's leaking. It's literally, this is wet. This is just all wet. Oh my gosh. And if you guys follow me, you know I hate messes. I hate feeling dirty. I hate this feeling right now already. So yeah, this isn't, I know it's just from what goes on your face, but I just don't like touching it. Oh gosh, it's even worse grabbing in here. Oh boy. My card is soaked. I don't know which one is leaking, but I'm just gonna show you all these and then I'm gonna go rinse them off and find out who's the culprit. So this month's theme is me time, and I don't even want to let this down. Hold on. This goes over all of the different masks that are inside. So I'll just set that there and let's see. So the first mask that we have is Aloe Moisture Plus Calming. And this must be the mystery mask because I do not see this one on the paper. So this must be the mystery mask. Then we have is a 24 karat gold. You'll feel like $1,000,000 with this 24 karat gold mask. This mask restores radiance as it conditions, hydrates, and revives. And, okay. This says Melting Chew. I don't know. That one right there. It says Dewy Tree, crafted for skin with discoloration. This mask balances the appearance of skin tone and redness. This mask will provide soothing nourishment to the skin that will help heal troubled, sensitive skin. Then we have Daily Fresh Garden Mask Sheet Bamboo Water. Freshen your sheet mask routine with this garden-themed mask. Its main ingredient is bamboo water to help replenish collagen in your skin while also improving the skin's flexibility, resulting in smoother and firmer skin. This one is a 2-step mask. When you 2-step. So this says step 1 is a mud mask, creamy mask, and then step 2 is a bubble oxygen mask. So you put the top one like on your forehead and then you put the bottom one on and you sit there and look pretty or not so pretty, but you'll sit there and be bubbling it up. So this right here says different areas for the face sometimes require different skin treatments. This is why we love this multi-area mask. The black mud mask eliminates oil while the bubble sheet mask generates oxygen bubbles to burst away dead skin and impurities. So that's awesome. And I know a lot of people have more of an oily T-zone, so that would be better to put that on the top and then the other one on the face to get moisture. So I'm actually intrigued on using that one. This one was extra slimy. This is Natural Mask Sheet Tomato. We love this mask from our head tomatoes. What? They try to be funny. We love this mask from our head tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes contain vitamins A and K, which aid in balancing pH, tightening pores, treating sunburns, and reducing irritation. So there's that. Now we have is Amino Situation Cream Mask. I have a situation. It says solution though. Is this one that's leaking? No, I don't know which one is leaking. Oh, it's this one. Okay, it's the last one. I found the culprit. This says Amino Solution Cream Mask, not situation. I'm just looking at my current situation. Although the sheet mask is packed with cream that feels like you're applying a thick, soft cloud over your face, it contains 17 amino acid complex ingredients that replenish your skin with moisture and nutrients. That sounds amazing. This is anti-wrinkle. This one right here is an anti-wrinkle aging, why we love it. This mask is made from hydrogel-like material, specifically known, so damn slippery. This shit is slippery all over it. Like materials, also known as a natural vegetable, not a vegetable. Oh my goodness. A vegetable polymer gel. This will help tighten and minimize the wrinkles of your skin. And this is the culprit, and it looks like maybe when they got in a box, they cut the box and this got cut, because that's the cut right there. Like, hold on. I can stick my whole nail inside of it right there. So that's what is leaking all over everything. Lovely. So I found it. This is a hydrogel, Gold Energy, silky, sticky. So this one says, all that's glitter isn't gold. Sometimes it's your sheet mask. The gold extract in this mask slows down the collagen depletion, increases skin's elasticity, improves blood circulation, and prevents premature aging. So this sounds like it would have been a really good mask to try out. Unfortunately, since all of the stuff is leaked out, I'm not even going to even use this. It's open, it's exposed, and especially with nowadays, I'm not using something that's been opened. Nope, not gonna happen. So this one I'm gonna throw away, and I'm not even gonna take a picture of all these together, you guys, because I'm not even gonna put this on my little area that has that little like fur stuff, because it's gonna stick to all of this, and that's gross. So these I'm gonna go rinse all off so I can use them, and this is going right into the trash can. So here are all of the masks for this month's MaskMaven. The bag I'm gonna throw away as well, because it's completely covered in all of this crap. And yeah, so if you do want to know, I don't even want to set this down right now. If you do want to know a little bit more about MaskMaven, MaskMaven is $15 a month. The shipping is an addition. If you do 6 months prepaid, it's $14. And if you go to 12 months like I did, you get it for $13 a month, and shipping is still an addition. And if you order by the 15th of the month, you get that month's box. So this month is already pretty much done, because now I received this way too late. So if you were to order now, you would probably get next month, but you won't get it until the following month because of how they ship. So that's that. So you guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, have you heard of MaskMaven? Would you like to get these masks? I know I did kind of compare it to another one you guys had told me to look into, but this one ended up being cheaper and you got more masks for your money. So I am sticking with this one until my year ends, and then I probably will, I don't know, I probably won't renew it. So there's that, you guys. Comment down below again. Let me know what you thought about this. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And yeah, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. This is so bothering me. I gotta go wash my hands. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out.